How to rearrange songs in Spotify playlist. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can rearrange songs in Spotify playlist. First of all, launch open the Spotify app and make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the Your Library option at the bottom of your screen. From here, select your playlist. Now you will find the edit option, select that. Here you will find these three lines icon. Simply tap and hold on that and then you can rearrange the song however you want. So as you can see, rearrange the song. Once you're happy with the result, tap on the save option at the top right corner of your screen. With this, you can easily rearrange songs in Spotify playlist, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.